Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to see how to book COVID-19 vaccine slot in India using the Arogya Setu app. So first we have to open the Play Store and here we are going to search for Arogya Setu app. So this is the app. So you have to install this app first. It is getting installed. Once that installation is complete, you have to open the app. So I'm going to prefer the language as English. Click next for all these. Click on register now. So it will ask you for all this permission, just agree for all this. So I'm going to blur my mobile number, but you have to enter your mobile number over here. A one-time password will come to your phone, so you have to enter that one-time password. So this is my one-time password, so I have to enter this here. For you this will be different, so you have to enter the number which came to your mobile number. So I'm entering my OTP number. So after that is done, you will be in the home page of Arogya Setu app. So you can skip this self-assessment. Then to book vaccine, you have to go to this vaccination part, and there you have to enter your registered mobile number. So I entered my number. So one more OTP will come. So this is a new OTP. So I'm going to enter this OTP. For you that will be different, so you have to enter the number which came to your mobile. So this is my my registration, because I have registered my name before only to get the vaccine. So these are my details. You can see the name, the status that I'm not yet vaccinated, and this calendar over here. So in order to book your vaccine, you have to click on the calendar over there. And if you are not yet registered, if you are a new user, you have to give your details like your Aadhaar card and PAN card. So for that you have to click here to add beneficiary, and you have to enter all these details, whichever card you are going to show. If you have Aadhaar card, you have to opt for that. Then you have to enter your ID number, your name, your gender, date of birth, all that. But I have already entered mine, so I'm not going to show that. So in order to book vaccine, you have to click on this calendar over here, and you can enter your PIN code wherever you are living. Just enter the PIN code of your area and the preferred date, and you can click on find vaccination center to get the vaccines available in that area. But the easiest way is to click here and select your state. So I'm going to select a random state just to show you how this is done. So I'm going to select Chandigarh, and the district also is given as Chandigarh. Just click on find vaccination center. You are going to opt for free, so you have to select this free button. If you want to get paid, you have to select paid. So I'm going to get this free vaccination. So when all this is done, click on find vaccination center. After that, this one more tab will come. In this you have to select the vaccination center whichever is available or whichever is near to you. So as I have selected Chandigarh, these all are the vaccine centers available in Chandigarh. So I'm going to randomly select one. This sector 33 I'm selecting. So here you can see all these slots are available. So you have to select find a vaccination center whichever your age group is. Like if you are more than 45, you have to find a vaccination center which is there for above 45, so this is for above 18. So I'm going to select one, this Covishield vaccine in 14th of July. So these are the 5 slots which you can see beside that, and I'm going to select this slot over here. So this violet indicates that I have selected Covishield for 18 plus at 10:30 to 11:30 of slot. So after that is selected, you have to proceed here. So if you click on confirm appointment, your vaccination is confirmed, but I'm not going to do that, but you have to do like that. So that is how your vaccine is confirmed. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up below and please subscribe to my channel for all tech related content.